pass or fail in key points. You're looking at a natural gas-fired water heater. You're looking at the bottom of it. Who can tell me by what you see, is the water heater installed above occupied space? It is. For those of you who have your thumbs up, yep, it is. How many of you can see the pan underneath it? This is a water heater replacement in a building that was 12 years old. There needs to be a free space around that tank completely of 2 inches. So we're talking about, yeah, not even close. The pan itself has to be 2 inches high. As you can see, though, this is like a complete disaster. If you're not noticing, look down here. There's the threshold to the door. There's the weather stripping for the door. They shut the door. Look how close the water heater is to the door. And oh yeah, the burner plate is missing and the insulation is hanging out. This is what I see as I go there to do an inspection. And the plumber is with me. Fail, see you later, bye, re-inspection fee. This was a 6-story building. This is about the 3rd floor. He lived when I threw him off the deck. It was like an act of Congress to get into this building. Up 3 flights of stairs as an old man. I open this door and this is what I see. Why did you call me? Are you kidding me? This is the stuff you don't want to do. So make sure everything, I's are dotted, T's are crossed. Can you use flexible gas appliance connectors for water heaters? Yeah, you can. But you got to remember, there's a very, very specific way that you can install a gas appliance connector. That's not it. In a gas appliance connector, always keep this in mind. You can never use a flexible gas appliance connector to make a 90-degree turn. So I'm going to do a little drawing here. There's the pipe going into a water heater. Here's the pipe. Let's do a drip T. Say I had a pipe up here. Here's my shutoff valve with the X over it. If you want to use a flexible appliance connector to do this, have at it all day long, because that's the way it can be done. As long as you get really nice support and some hangers on this piece, because that thing will be going all over the place. Probably want to do some type of support down here. But this is the way you can use the flexible gas appliance connector. Not like you see in there. You can never, ever use it to make a turn. If I came down and go like that, never, ever. That's actually how they're approved. That's how the standard is approved. Hopefully you're working with craftspeople out there in the field. But that was just like a total shit show. Hope you get out of the hospital within a couple days. Don't sue me. Yeah, no, I didn't throw him off. I didn't. I wanted to. I thought about it. If it was an apprentice or somebody working for me, I probably would have.